Hi, and welcome to the LB0 Fox India YouTube channel, or LB0FI Norwegian Ventures, as I've now rebranded my channel. I figured after growing a little bit, as I've done lately, I figured I should have a more descriptive name on the channel. But today we're going to talk a little bit about Parks on the Air. And Parks on the Air is not a contest. At least that's what it's claimed not to be. And by all means, generally, it's not a contest. But there are some big news here, so let's jump over to the POTA press release and see what the big news is. Okay, this is the Parks on the Air press release that got released yesterday. And it's about the new Parks on the Air Plaque Event, which will be the weekend of June 3rd and 4th this year. And this is a contest, and the first sign of it being a contest is, if we look at the rules here, let's see here if I can find it. If you look at the rules here on the bands and modes, you can use all bands except for work bands, 60 meters, 30 meters, 17 meters, and 12 meters. That's a good indication of it being a contest, since you're not allowed to operate on the contest-free bands. So let's see on the rules here. It's about getting the most Parks on the Air contacts within the weekend. And there are some rules here on eligibility. Defines what an activator, a hunter, and a club is. You can read all of this yourself. I'll link it down below so you can read it there. But let's have a look at the award categories here. It's the most contact all modes. It's the most voice contacts. It's the most CW contacts. The most digital contacts. The most rookie contacts. There's a Rover Award for the most unique parks here. Absolutely worth mentioning if you want to drive around, if you've got a lot of parks nearby. And then there are awards for the activator who makes the largest number of contacts in any of the DX regions, except for the lower 48 US states. So I'm not sure about why they made this. And there's also a club category. The hunter categories are pretty much the same, except that's for the people sitting at home hunting. There are no Rover Award, though, for the hunter categories, which is logical. But this looks like a lot of fun. I really look forward to this. And depending on the popularity, this can be really great. Might spark some debate whether POTA is a contest or not, but POTA is not a contest. This, however, the plaque event is a contest, so I'm looking forward to it. I like contesting, so this is great for me, and I really hope I got that weekend off work. We'll see about that. So that's what I know thus far. I'll be back with some more news once I have them, and there'll be more news around the internet and Facebook, Twitter, all kind of social media about this. You bet. So that's what I got for now. So thank you for watching LB0 Fox India Norwegian Ventures. I'm Morten, LB0 Fox India. And if you want to support the channel, there are a couple of ways down below. You can buy me a coffee, you can support my channel on Patreon, and you can just like, comment, and subscribe. I'm happy about that as well, and I love comments. So if you comment, I'll try to reply. If you got a good opinion in your comment, I'll pretty much be sure that I'm gonna reply to you. So that's all for now. Until next time, 7-3.